Prince Harry and Meghan Markle will reportedly be getting extra security for their next visit to New York City as they near the one-year anniversary of their car chase. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's car chase reports in May 2023 made global headlines, and the police determined the paparazzi were acting in a reckless manner, seemingly looking to mitigate future dilemmas. The Duke and Duchess will now be receiving additional security whenever they return to New York City. The incident has sparked a changed attitude towards the security surrounding the royals in the future, just after Prince Harry received a damning court ruling about his requests for free security in the UK. Next time the Sussexes go to New York, they can expect additional security, with the NYPD declaring in a letter to the Metropolitan Police in London, as seen by NBC, that it will be enhancing the security resources the couple receive. The letter, which was published this morning, also revealed that Meghan and Harry have not filed charges over the incident, but that the NYPD has sufficient evidence to arrest 2 individuals for reckless endangerment. Daily Express has contacted Meghan Markle and Prince Harry's representatives for comment. The 38-year-old joined his wife and her mother as they attended the 2023 Women of Vision Awards in May, where Meghan was one of the honorees. When the group left the venue, they got into a taxi destined for their hotel, but were followed by a dozen photographers in a variety of vehicles that forced the Sussexes' security team to take evasive actions on several occasions. Shortly after the incident, the Netflix couple's representatives shared a statement with Us Weekly claiming that the pursuit lasted over 2 hours, involving multiple near collisions with other drivers, pedestrians and NYPD officers. Meghan and Harry received some backlash in the aftermath as they were accused of exaggerating the chase, but remained unwavering in their accounts. Royal commentator Richard Fitzwilliams told Daily Express, "There is little doubt that their experience last year with the paparazzi was an extremely unpleasant one. The problem was how they handled it and their description of the near-catastrophic car chase. It was widely felt that the incident had been exaggerated and the couple were widely mocked." However, the NYPD has now described the paparazzi's actions as reckless and dangerous. So more security, if they feel they need it, would make sense.